Hello. All right, we're going to do this real quick tutorial on writing and reading from a text file in Python. It's not that complicated, but a lot of people just don't know the basics of how to do it. So let me show you. We'll start off with writing. We're going to just use a couple lines of code here. And so I have a variable called file1, and I'm going to make that equal to open, which is a built-in Python function. And it has two parameters. One is the text file that you want to open. We're just calling it myfile.txt, and then separated by a comma. Then you have the how you want to open it, and W means we want to write to this file. Okay, and so one thing to note: this is the folder that I'm running this in. You notice that file does not exist. If it does not exist, Python will create it. And we're going to write two different lines in here, hello and goodbye, and then we're going to close it. So let me save this. I'll go ahead and run it, and you'll see it run successfully. And so you see I have my text file here now, and inside I have hello, goodbye. Perfect. Exactly what I was hoping would happen. And one thing you'll notice, if I got rid of this /n and ran it again, just ran it again and open it up, you'll see that they are the words are right on top of each other, because the /n is a line break that separates it into each, if you put it at the end of the line, it's going to separate it into lines, each write statement. And so that's pretty handy. All right, so let's say we already had this and we wanted to read from that file. Again, pretty simple. You just have to open it. I'll just put it right below here. We're just opening it, and we're doing this R+, which is for reading. You don't need this line. I just did it so we understand what's going on. Now we're just going to do file1.read. And so I will go ahead and run that. And you see here we got it read our two lines. One thing to note is that each time we run this is writing over top. So we still just have those two lines in there. Just because we ran it twice, we don't have four lines. It wrote over top of the file. And so that's the last thing I'll show you is, what if we want to append? We don't want to write over top. Well, I'll show you that. We'll put right after that. So we close it, then we're going to go back in and we're going to open it with the A, which means to append. We'll write one more line and see if that works for us. Run module, and you see it did. So because we got all three lines showed up now, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, and this would work even if we had closed the file out and then go ahead and just append. It would open it and just append and leave the previous material that was there, for previous text that was there. So hopefully you found this handy. Let me know if there's other Python functions you'd like me to review. Be glad to. All right, thank you.